I transplanted my citrus plants today. All of these were in pots laid back here, if you see my previous videos. And these 4 pots over here I got from Costco. And I already had this since last year. And it was sitting here. And it's really good that I repotted my citrus because they were still in their nursery pots. And for them to grow really well, they need lots of roots. Still, somehow, these were giving me small amounts of fruits and growth. But the thing is, the leaves would fall off after an amount of time, since these are very compact when I removed them. I put them in these pots with a little bit of fertilizer on the bottom, so we'll see how these grow this year. Since now they have a lot of space, I should start getting a significant amount of fruit. This is Meyer lemon. This is a mandarin. This is a clementine. This is a orange tree, so this will grow significantly big this year. And this is again a Meyer lemon. And I like this since instead of growing tall like that Meyer lemon over there, it grows wide, which is much better. I like it like a bush, which is why I put it in a taller pot than this. And yeah, we'll see how these start growing throughout the year. So I'm planning to put my blueberries in the ground. We got these from Home Depot. These are both supposed to be southern varieties. It says over here, this says Blueberry Vernon, which is a southern variety I researched online. And this says Tiff Blue, which is also supposed to be a southern variety because this tolerates much more heat and less soil acidity. So soil acidity is very important for blueberries, which is why when I put this in the ground, I'm going to put soil acidifier. So this here is a soil acidifier meant to acidify soils, mainly for hydrangeas, which are these flowers, and blueberries. So I'm planning to put blueberries in this location over here. And to do that, before I plant the blueberries, at least 2 weeks prior, I need to put this in the ground. So this is basically sulfur, but it doesn't immediately work in the ground. The sulfur that you put in the ground will slowly get decomposed by microbes, and that is what acidifies the soil. So blueberries really do not like alkaline soil, and since I live here with clay soil in Texas, it's very alkaline. You can see over here, if I turn to pH is about 8, which is not good. It needs to become 5 to 4. So I'm gonna add this. To test the soil's pH, the soil is supposed to be a bit moist, so I'll pre-moisten the soil to test the pH properly. Okay, you can see it's passing 8. It's in the middle of 8 and 7. So this is still really bad. We need to bring this down to 5 and 4. This is alkaline soil. Okay, nice. Over here it says for new plants use 1 1/4 cups. Since I'm spreading it in this whole area, I'll probably put about 2 cups and check in about 2 weeks to see if the acidity has worked, which means the pH would have lowered. So this itself is 1/2 cup. So if this is enough, I might only put 1 1/4 cup. Another 1/4 that one. Mix it in a little bit. I'm adding an extra cup because I'm using a good amount of space. Since my soil is already very alkaline, it shouldn't be too bad that I'm putting too much soil acidifier. But I'll check back in 1.5 to 2 weeks to see if the pH tester says anything different. So mix this in a bit thoroughly. Now I just need to water this down so that the sulfur starts to get a little bit used. and the microbes should start slowly decomposing the sulfur, and the pH should change. So we'll see how it turns out in 1.5 to 2 weeks.